Hey guys, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and in this tutorial, we'll be going over how to easily create t-shirt designs on your smartphone using the Canva mobile app. The Canva mobile app allows you to create some amazing t-shirt designs on your smartphone using the same powerful tools and features we're used to using on the Canva website. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to download the Canva mobile app, access the t-shirt design templates, customize the templates to create your design, and how to export your t-shirt design with a transparent background. Having a transparent background will allow you to add your designs to products without a white or colored square behind your image. But in order to export your designs with a transparent background to add to your t-shirts and other products, you'll need to have a Canva Pro account. With Canva Pro, you can access all pre-made t-shirt design templates, the entire Canva image library, the background remover, and tons of other tools and features to help you create professional designs. To try Canva Pro for free, make sure you head over to jasongandy.info and click the Unlock Canva Pro button, or just click the link in the video description. So now that you have Canva Pro, let's go over how to create t-shirt designs using the Canva mobile app. The Canva mobile app is a convenient way to create t-shirt designs, whether you're at home or on the go. So if you haven't already, go ahead and head over to your app store on your smartphone and search for Canva to download the app. Once you find the Canva app, go ahead and read over the information if you like, and when you're finished, go ahead and download it to your smartphone. Now that you have the Canva mobile app, go ahead and open it up and sign into your Canva Pro account. With Canva, no matter what device you log into, all of your account information and designs will be saved. So to create a t-shirt design, let's start by checking out the Canva t-shirt design templates. To do this, let's go up to the search bar here and type in t-shirt. From the drop-down menu, you should see a tab that says t-shirt with the little t-shirt icon beside it. Go ahead and click that now. This will take you to a page where you can view thousands of t-shirt design templates that are available on Canva. There's currently over 8,000 templates, and Canva continues to add more templates each month. If you like, you can use the options up top here to sort the templates by style, theme, or color. And if you're already a design pro, you can start with a blank template by clicking the option here. So let's scroll through the Canva templates and see if we can find a good template to use for my t-shirt design. As you can see, they have all sorts of templates available in various styles and themes. Whether you want to create a text design or add an eye-catching image, Canva will have a template that'll work for you. Canva does have some free templates, but to unlock all the templates, you'll need to have a Canva Pro account. So for my example t-shirt design, I think I'll just go with this Canva Pro template here. Once you select a template, it should open up in the Canva editor. Here's where you can fully customize the Canva template any way you like to create your design. So let's start by selecting and changing the template text. The text on your template may be added as separate elements, so simply select each and change them to whatever you want them to say. Once you change your text, you may have to resize and rearrange it a bit to get it in the best location. A quick tip for designing on your smartphone is to use a stylus pen instead of your finger. A stylus makes it a lot easier to edit and move stuff around. Whenever you select your text or other element, you'll notice a toolbar pop up at the bottom here. Here's where I can change the font, my text size, the color, add effects, and all the other features that we're used to on the Canva website. So let's click the color icon here and change the color of my bottom text. For my I'd rather be fishing t-shirt design, I think I'll change my bottom text to blue. There we go. Let's also go ahead and click and delete all these other template elements that I won't be using for my design. Feel free to edit your template text as much as you like, but for time's sake, I'm just gonna go with this. So now that I have the text for my design, let's see if we can find a good image to use. To upload an image or search the Canva image library, go ahead and click the round blue icon at the bottom left here. This will open up a menu where you can select a new template, access the Canva library, access your camera roll to upload images, and much more. So for this example, let's search the Canva library by clicking the Elements tab down at the bottom here. Here's where you can search through tons of photos, images, and graphics that are available on Canva. So for my I'd rather be fishing t-shirt design, let's search for fishing and see what comes up. This will pull up all the graphics, photos, and videos on Canva that are associated with the word fishing. But since I'm only looking for graphics for my t-shirt design, let's select the graphics tab up top here. Now in my search results, I should see all of the graphics on Canva that are associated with the word fishing. As you can see, they have all sorts of graphics that you can use to create all sorts of awesome designs. They have some free graphics available, but to access all the graphics, you'll need a Canva Pro account. No matter what topic or subject you type in, Canva will likely have thousands of graphics and images that you can select from. So for my t-shirt design, I think I'll start with this Canva Pro image here. Once you select a graphic, you can then resize and rearrange it on your template however you like. For my fishing pole here, let's make it a bit bigger and move it above my text. With your image selected, you can also use the round icon at the bottom here to rotate your image to the left or right. I think this looks pretty cool with my fishing pole, but let's head back over to the Canva library and see what else we can find. When making your designs, feel free to be as creative as you like and make your designs as simple or complex as you wish. So let's add this fish here to my design and see how it looks. I can now resize and move everything around to get everything in the best location. There we go. Now I think this is starting to look like a pretty good fishing t-shirt design. For many of the graphics that you get from the Canva library, you can also change the graphic color and add other effects. If you select the graphic on your template, you'll see the menu pop up at the bottom here where you can change the color, add effects, crop your image, and more. Simply select an option and adjust your image however you like. I want my fish to match the color of my rod and my top text, so I'm gonna leave it as black. So here's my example I'd rather be fishing t-shirt design. I think this looks pretty good, but in order to add it to t-shirts or other products, I'll have to export it without the white background. To do this, we'll have to export your design with transparency. So let's export our design by going up to the top right of the screen here and clicking on the share icon. This will open up a screen with all sorts of share and print options for your design. From here, let's go down and click on the download tab. Here's where you can select your download settings, including the option for a transparent background. Under file type, make sure you have PNG selected so that you can export with transparency. Under size, you can use the slider bar to adjust your design for whatever product that you'll be uploading to. And of course, make sure you have the checkbox selected beside transparent background. But remember that in order to adjust your size and to select the transparent background option, you'll need to have a Canva Pro account. So once you're finished selecting all of your download settings, go ahead and click on the blue download button at the bottom. Your t-shirt design will then be exported and downloaded to your smartphone camera roll. So now that my new t-shirt design has been downloaded, let's open it up and check it out. Well, with black text and black images, it's kind of hard to see with the black background of my camera roll, so let's see how it looks on a white shirt. Not bad. I think this is a pretty cool looking t-shirt design. Although we're creating t-shirt designs, you can add your designs to other products as well. Also, many people don't know that you can order your t-shirts directly from Canva if you wish. To order t-shirts on Canva, simply go back up to the share button at the top right. And at the top of the menu, you'll see a mock-up of your design and a blue print t-shirts button. Let's click that now. Here's where you can select your t-shirt style, color, size, the quantity, and other settings to place your order. Canva t-shirts are high quality, have fast shipping, and are decently priced. So that's a quick overview of how to easily create t-shirt designs using the Canva mobile app. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.